Anytime a company gets a new boss, things can change a bit, right? We all know the feeling. Well, imagine having 4 different bosses in 4 months. That's essentially what's happened at the IRS after another acting director has resigned, raising questions about possible impacts on you ahead of the tax filing deadline. As a reminder, the deadline to file your taxes is April 15th, and officially the IRS says they're committing to operating in a way that doesn't impact your return or tax filing experience. But another new boss will soon be leading the Internal Revenue Service after Melanie Krause stepped down. The Associated Press reports it was over a new policy change which will allow some data sharing between the IRS and the Department of Homeland Security. The Treasury Department says the agreement will help carry out President Donald Trump's agenda to secure the United States border. But advocacy groups are sounding the alarm about the change. The Center for Democracy and Technology writing in March, immigrants, including undocumented immigrants, pay hundreds of billions of dollars in federal and state taxes each year, despite the fact that they do not receive many of the federal benefits that these taxes fund. Disclosing their tax records to DHS for immigration enforcement would discourage tax compliance among immigrant communities. All of this is happening as the long-term focus and mission of the IRS is being evaluated by the Trump administration. One cabinet secretary for President Trump has previously called for the elimination of the department, believing that tariffs could soon replace taxes in this country. Joe St. George, Scripps News Group, Washington.